Hello children, in the previous video, we have done the exercises of the lesson adverb from the book. Now we will start the question answers of this lesson. So take out your English 1 copies, take out a new page, write the date on the left side of the margin, then write lesson 10 on the first line. On the second line, write the adverb. On the third line, start writing the question. Define adverb. The question is define adverb, full stop, give examples. Once again children, I am telling you, write it in neat handwriting in your copies. The answer is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. Full stop. Once again, a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. Full stop. Example number 1. He ran quickly. Underline quickly as it is an adverb. Number 2. She speaks softly. Underline softly as it is also an adverb. Number 3. Seema sings sweetly. So, underline sweetly. This is also an adverb. Now, question number 2 is, name the different kinds of adverb. Name the different kinds of adverb. Now, the answer is, the different kinds of adverb are, number 1, adverbs of manner. Number 2, adverbs of place. And number 3, adverbs of time. Once again I will repeat. The different kinds of adverb are, number 1, adverbs of manner. Number 2, adverbs of place. Number 3, adverbs of time. Now the next question is question number 3. Explain the kinds of adverbs with examples. Explain the kinds of adverbs with examples. Answer is number 1, adverbs of manner. The words which show the manner in which an action is done. I will repeat once again. The words which show the manner in which an action is done. Full stop. Example, she writes well. Underline well. How she writes? Well. The manner in which she writes? Well. So, well is the adverb of manner. Next is, they are talking loudly. How they are talking? In which manner? In which way they are talking? Loudly. So, loudly is also an adverb of manner. Now, the second one is adverbs of place. The words which show where an action is done. The words which show where an action is done. They are called adverbs of place. For example, we live there. There, the word there is refers to the place. So, the underline there. Then the second one is, the train stops here. Again, here is the adverb of place. So, underline here. Now, the next one is adverbs of time. The words which show when an action is done. Once again, the words which show when an action is done. That is called an adverb of time. Full stop. Example, do it now. Now shows the time. Yes, so underline now. So adverb now is an adverb of time. Second, we must get up early. When should we get up? We should get up early. So early also indicates adverb of time. So children, this was all there regarding this lesson. I will show you the answers once again. Go through these question answers and check your copies once again. Don't make any mistake while writing Don't write in poor handwriting. Touch the lines and then write. So children, this was all there regarding this lesson. We have finished with this lesson today. Next week, we will start with the new lesson. Till then, goodbye.